well, it's just another lonely day in my room. Just sitting here. So I got a question for you. What is up with Willow Smith? Are you kidding me? You whip your hair back and forth? I wish I can whip my hair back and forth. Okay. So, why don't you go ahead and show us? Oh, that's so cool. So, look at me dip my hair in paint. Well, you can dip your hair in caramel next. Sweet. Let's all whip together. Let's all whip together. Come on, everybody. Let's all whip together. I'm not blaming her. Sure, it's pretty cool. I mean, 10-year-old prodigy. Whoa. But, you kidding me? Whip your hair back and forth? Why don't you go whip your butt over to your room? Shut up. I'm saying. I don't know how to do that. Anyway, I'm just saying, you guys really need to subscribe. Subscribe? Is that how you youngsters say it these days? Anyway, I'm just sitting here on my video camera watching TV. Well, not really, I'm on Netflix. But no, actually I'm not. I'm looking at everybody else's stuff. But anyway, I'm just saying, you guys really need to subscribe. Check out all my other stuff. I'm not really good at doing all the other stuff, but I mean, it's not bad. Check out my Bieber Fever Prodigy crap and the how Justin Bieber sucks. No offense. Just saying. And check out everything else. Do it or die. I'm not zooming in because I don't know if I am. Oh no, I'm not zooming in. I was. Okay.